Hey guys, Ned here. Excuse the mess. Thought I'd show you what happens when you reflow a circuit board. So there's a circuit board with the parts placed on it using solder paste, and here's a big hot plate, 200 degrees C. And stick it on and see what happens. Might take a few seconds. You can see it smoking already. That board is getting hot. Now you can see it's starting to bubble away, maybe, not really, can't really see. So the paste is now getting hot. Eventually it'll get hot enough where it melts and turns into solder. Oh, there we go, we've just had it happen. I hope you saw it on the video, because it's fucking too late. Here's still some. See, that's still paste. And there you can see it slowly turning, melting, turning into solder. Like magic. And now I just gotta wait for this big guy to heat up. And then we're good to go. You can see there's a few solder bridges between pins there, but we can fix that afterwards. Give it a few more seconds. Okay guys, I'm going to put the phone down and do the rest by hand.